Today I am finally pruning this blueberry bush that seems to be almost dead. So we planted this in fall 2023, so the summer of 2024 was its first summer. And for those of you that don't know, we are in Texas. Summers get extremely hot and are regularly into the triple digits. Plants like blueberries a lot of times struggle their first summer here, and it's actually very common for us to lose major parts of our plants, especially during their first summer. The good news is that when these plants make it through their first summer, they normally just get better from there. Sadly, this plant lost probably about 2/3 of itself, which is what I'm chopping off today. So I normally wait to cut off dead from plants until the spring because then I can easily identify what's alive and what's not. Sadly, when I was pruning today, I actually realized that the blueberry lost its main stem, which I think will be okay in this case because it does still have two pretty decent sized branches coming out of the ground and some smaller ones. I used my really big loppers here. I probably should have brought down my smaller ones for these little branches, but yeah, I just don't have the time. So I brought that down because I knew there was going to be some big branches that needed removed, and then I also wound up using it to do the small branches. It is nice, guys, to have on hand loppers and smaller pruners if you can, and also don't forget to clean your loppers or pruners before, in between, and after doing plants. Oh, and a little pro tip here, guys. Don't forget to keep the tags that they have on the nursery on your plants, or else you're going to forget what variety they are. I made this mistake with some of our earliest trees that we added and bushes, and now I just know better to leave the tags on. So I did cut it off when it was on the main branch, but I just put it on a new branch. And don't waste your branches, guys. Throw them in your compost pile. As long as they're not overly big, they're going to compost down in the meantime. But take a look at this. It is small now, but it's looking much better, much healthier. If you guys like these tips, make sure you like and subscribe.